Everyone, Sid here with another video on my RC adventures, and today we have a new boat in the house. This is the VolantexRC Atomic SR85. This is a catamaran. It says on the box that it goes 75 kilometers per hour. We're going to test that. Auto self-righting, durable unibody hull. It has metal hardware. It's water cooled. And again, the same things all around. This is the radio it comes with. So it's 800 millimeter long catamaran, and the width is 260 millimeters. And this is brushless, almost ready to run, which means you have to supply your own 3S or 4S battery to make it run. So let's open it up. So there we have it, guys. Let's see what's inside this. I think the hull. Yep, this is the hull piece. And this here is the boat. You have to install the rudder before you take it out. And you have some Allen keys, some screws, wrench, and a plug. Let's take the controller out. EX2 controller has some functions: steering trim, throttle trim. Good enough. Needs 4 AA batteries. So this is the boat stand. It's in pieces, but you can assemble it to make a stand. You have a manual for the boat and a manual for the transmitter. And this right here is the boat, and yeah, this here is a speed controller, and as you can see, this is the water outlet that needs to connect to your rudder to pick up the water, and it can run on 3S or 4S. So we're going to run both 3S and 4S and see how that goes. So let's get this set up and take it out for a ride. We are ready to launch this. It's a 80 centimeter boat, so not too big, not too small, but I think we are good. So launch it. Right for it. Yes. Fucking nice. So we're running on 3S. Let's see if it takes any water. It's quite dry. Wait, I'll come from that side, yeah? Oi. Now I'm gonna take it in to take out the water. Take it out.
Shouldn't do it there. But if something falls off.
So yeah, every time it self-rights, you need to kind of take the boat out and take the water out. Otherwise, yeah, it's gonna flip over very fast again. Yeah, I think it's good now. And if you look inside, if it doesn't flip over, then everything remains dry. I think it worked well on a 3S. This is a cool RC, and I'm happy to have a catamaran in my collection now that can self-ride. So we have a couple of 3Ss that are shorty paths. Back in, let's see how it does. We have some weeds in the water. Hopefully they won't get caught in the boat. Yeah, let's do it. So definitely quicker on the shorty path because obviously it has less weight to haul. Let me do a full speed pass. It's a really beautiful craft, I must say. Where we come in. And turns on a dime, very controllable. Let's bring it back in. That was a nice run. I think we can put in the 4S, see what's the difference in speed and power, and that will be good. So guys, I've put in the Gensays 4S bashing lipo in it. This is a 4-cell lipo, and as you can see, the inside is quite waterproof. There isn't a lot of water, some splashes here and there, but must say it's a good quality RC boat. So let me plug that in and let's see how fast it goes. Let's launch this baby. Whoa, whoa. Gotta be careful. Here we are. Oh, look at that go, guys, at 4S. Definitely makes a difference. You can immediately see the force of the 4-cell battery. Whoa, this is such an awesome boat, guys, on 4S. Don't think I'm going back to 3S ever again. Look at it go, guys. I think for $300 it was well worth the purchase. It's like a bullet on water. I'm a bit scared now, to be honest. Let's go full throttle. Whoa. Guys, this is amazing. Whoa. Whoa. The wind is really making it difficult to steer at these high speeds. But yeah, this thing is a beast. Absolute beast. Oh, the brushless motor whine, so cool to hear. One more full speed run and then I'm gonna bring it in. Whoa. So much fun. Let's bring it in, guys. Shouldn't test my luck too much. There we go. Whew. What an amazing run, guys. I think definitely this needs to be run on 4S for having maximum fun with it. Super stable, turns on a dime, accelerates like hell. This is so much fun, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Hey guys, if you liked my content, please subscribe and ring the bell icon, like, comment and share the video as well. Thanks.